Here I have Hyundai i30 and let me show you how to turn off beeping sound when you touch the screen. So let's begin. So right now, if you touch the screen, for example here or here, you should see the beeping. If you would like to turn off this beeping, let's go to your settings. So the quickest way to do this is by tapping the setup button right here. Then let's choose the sound. And here at the top of the screen, you've got the beep. If you tap the beep and this blue color disappear, now if you touch the screen, you don't hear anything. If you would like to bring back the beeping, let's tap beep one more time, and now you can hear the beeping. Alright, so that's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave thumbs up.